Once you log into Blackboard, choose My Blackboard. You'll see a list of courses that you're taking. Choose Introduction to Computing, the online section. The main thing we want to do in this video is to show you how to register for TestOut, which is an online learning platform that has all the information you'll read, all the videos you will see, and grades all the labs that you will do. To the left there's a link that says TestOut Software Online. If you click that link, you come to the page that tells you all about TestOut. This is a link to TestOut's website that has a tutorial that is 15 pages. That sounds like a lot, but it's a lot of pictures and screenshots that say, here's what you do, here's what you're going to fill out. There are some security questions, that sort of thing. So it walks you through the process. I'm going to show you that process right now. To log into TestOut, this is where we go after we have signed in with our code. We would log in. But because we haven't yet created an account, we need to sign up. So if you accidentally click log in the first time, it's going to ask you for a login and a password. You have not yet created an account, so you can always create an account here, and that takes you to the same place that it would have taken you if you had said sign up. It's going to give you that same screen. So you are going to create an account. This is completely different from your college account. You can use the same username and password if you like, but it is completely separate. When you change your password at NPC, it will change things for Blackboard, for Oasis, for the network login, but it will not affect TestOut. That's a completely separate thing. So to create my account, I'm going to make up a username, Montoya, and I'm going to create a password, and then you have to confirm it to make sure that you remember it. You might want to write it down. Then give your first name and your last name. Give your NP email address, since that will be unique in the system. Obviously this is being made up. These are fictitious things for testing purposes. Now this activation code is 4 sets of 4 characters separated by hyphens. To be safe, put your caps lock on because all the letters are capitalized, and go ahead and type the hyphens. I have gotten my activation code online, so I'm going to copy and paste it and see if that will take it that way. If not, I would enter it by hand. And there we go. I've copied it and pasted it, and now I create the account, and it gives me some security questions. So in case I forget my password, they'll be asking me one or more of these questions to make sure it is I. What was your childhood nickname? Again, I'm making these up for demonstration purposes. What street did you live on? And what school did you attend for 6th grade? And now we click Secure Account, and we have created our account. Now I enroll, and it says who teaches the class that you want to enroll in. And when we search for that instructor's name, it says there's that instructor, so we select that instructor, and there's only one course that he is teaching. We enroll in that course. Are you sure that's the one? Yes, it is. The code that you purchased bought something called TestOut Desktop Pro. They have half a dozen different programs and codes, so you don't want to get Network Pro or some other kind of Pro. It's TestOut Desktop Pro. So make sure that's the code that you bought. Sometimes people accidentally buy the wrong code online or even in the bookstore because we have other courses on campus that use different programs. Now we are registered in TestOut. Let's make sure we can get back in. I'm going to log out. If I'm not in Blackboard and I just want to go here to the TestOut site, I can simply type in testout.com and it will take me to the login screen. I can also get there from Blackboard by clicking this link. same thing. Many ways to get there. So now I'm going to log in, and I use whatever login name I chose when I registered and whatever password I chose when I registered, and this should get me in. If that works for you, you have successfully completed your TestOut registration. Congratulations.